All right, today I have the OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm going to show you how to install the Whitestone dome glass. Let's do it. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Whitestone dome glass for the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, OnePlus 9 does not make any OnePlus does not make any glass screen protectors for their device. I mean, you could pick some up, but this one is the best one in the market. They're made from Whitestone Dome. Now, the folks over at Whitestone Dome sent this over to me. I want to thank them for sponsoring and being part of this video. I'm going to show you how to install it. It's relatively easy, but you got to follow all the steps and you will keep your OnePlus 9 Pro looking in pristine condition. This is absolute beauty, so you want to keep it looking amazing. So I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Let's do it. All right, so Whitestone Dome sends you over all this stuff. They send you over 2 glass screen protectors in here. They have a little kit here that you install it in. They pretty much give you 2 of everything, so you'll be good to go. They also throw these in here for your camera in the back, the rear camera protectors, which is pretty dope, if you ask me. That's kind of cool. So, but let's get started. Now, they give you some of these glues here. They give you 3 of these. You'll be using those. I'll show you how to use those in a little bit. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to protect all your buttons and your openings on your OnePlus device. I'm going to slap that to all 4 corners of the device. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put these in here. They're like absorber for your glue so they don't get into the side of your device. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to turn off your device. We're going to re-register our fingerprint reader after we're done installing this. But the first thing you want to do is turn off your device. So we're going to power it off. And then we're going to rip off if you have any kind of screen protector on there, like I have one from Amazon, just a flimsy one, go ahead and take that off. Now that you've powered off your device, you're going to go ahead and place it in here and snap it in so it stays in place. Make sure it's nice and solid. Now, this says OnePlus 9 Pro, that's your top for sure. And then you want to just place it in there. And then you're going to wipe it down, clean it with this wet wipe, then dry it, and then take off all the dust. And then I'll show you what's next. Now this uses glue, so you want to make sure that you use one of these to cover your top of your speaker up here, like so. Cover the opening so that you don't get it got stuck a little bit, but you know, you get the picture. Then they give you this little piece here that goes here at the top so that you can attach the holder for your screen protector. Put that there like so. Then you're going to grab your little holder here, put this in here like so. Then you have your little bridge here or whatever you're going to place on top of the kit there, the frame. All right, now it's time for some glue here for the Whitestone Dome. You're going to unscrew the red top and put that in the bridge and screw it in. And then you want to let the glue out. Once the glue comes out, let it come out for 30 seconds. After you let it come out for 30 seconds, you want to turn it to the side like so. Take off your little bridge with the glue, put that to the side. You don't need that anymore. Then you want to grab your screen protector, okay? and you're going to want it to peel off the back. Now it tells you where the camera, front side camera, so you want to put it on like this. So you want to go ahead and peel this off. And then place it like so. Make sure it doesn't fall on the glue. You want to make sure that you have it straight. And then what you want to do is you want to tilt it so the glue goes to the middle, and then pull your little insert here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Go down to the middle. Your middle's right there. You go like that. Then you want to pull out your insert. And you want that just completely cover the device. Don't try to touch it. Don't do anything. Just wait for it to completely spread for about a couple minutes. They tell you 100 seconds, but you could do it for a couple minutes. They give you one of these UV lights inside the kit. So you want to go ahead and turn this on and put it on the top, middle, and bottom for 15 seconds each. So after you've done the UV light on there for 15 to the top, middle, and bottom, you're gonna go ahead and take out your OnePlus. First, you're gonna take this out, this piece here, and then take off your speaker cover. And then you're just gonna pop it out with your 2 fingers and the bottom there, and then just put it here. And then you wanna go ahead and take your wet wipe here and wipe the sides of any excess glue, and you want to wipe it in one direction. So I'm just going to go down, across, down, across. Real simple. Keep it simple. And then you pull off your little stickers here, your protectors here on the side. So after you wipe the sides, you're gonna do the UV light, but this time you're gonna do it for 60 seconds. So you're gonna push the button twice. You wanna do the top and the bottom. I'm gonna do the top, bottom, and middle. I think the install came out mighty nice. Yes, you don't have to worry about any kind of cracked glass. You just do your thing. All right, so let's go ahead and go in here to the setup for fingerprint. How many of you guys search when you are looking for something, right? Fingerprint unlock, add fingerprint. Okay, got it. You want to push down a little bit so you can register it. I usually go around the whole thing. Okay, now that took a little longer than I wanted, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Boom, we are good to go. No issues with the fingerprint. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. You know where to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Also comment on the video. Let me know if you guys installed this or if you have any questions about installing this. I'll answer any questions you guys have. Peace, party people.